Windows 11 KB5077181 is rolling out as the February 2026 security update, and while Microsoft claims there are no known issues, real-world users are already running into problems. In this video, let's go over the most common issues you might face after installing Windows 11 KB5077181, and what you can do if things go wrong. Issue 1, Update Installation Failure. One of the most common problems with KB5077181 is failed installation. The update may get stuck at a certain percentage, fail during the final stage, or repeatedly attempt to install after reboot. This usually happens on systems with previous update corruption, low free disk space, broken Windows Update components. Issue 2, Very large update size, 4GB+. KB5077181 is over 4 GB in size, which can be a serious issue for users with limited bandwidth or slow internet connections. The reason is that Microsoft bundles local AI models with the update, even on PCs that cannot use them. This leads to longer download times and higher data usage. Issue 3, Smart App Control still missing for many users. Microsoft says Smart App Control can now be turned on or off without reinstalling Windows. However, many users still report that the options remain grayed out in Windows Security. This suggests the feature is rolling out slowly, server-side enabled, or still partially locked behind a clean install. Issue 4, Cross-Device Resume not working reliably. The new Cross-Device Resume feature doesn't work consistently for everyone. Common complaints include resume notifications not appearing, feature working only with certain Android brands, no support for offline files, background service running but doing nothing. For many users, the feature feels unfinished or hit or miss. Issue 5, Start menu still too large. The redesigned Start menu covers up to 70% of the screen on some PCs. Current problems include no resize option, no way to reorganize app categories, limited customization options. Microsoft has acknowledged the feedback but has no plans to add resizing controls. Issue 6, Offline installer downloads AI models on unsupported PCs. When using the offline.msu installer, AI models are downloaded even on PCs without an NPU. While these models won't activate, they increase installation size, waste disk space, confuse users who don't want AI components. Issue 7, Limited rollback window. Like other security updates, KB5077181 can only be uninstalled for up to 10 days. If you don't notice problems immediately, you may be stuck with the update unless you perform a system restore or reinstall Windows. So even though Windows 11 KB5077181 is labeled as a stable security update, it's not completely problem-free. If you're planning to install it, make sure you have backups and enough disk space. If you've already installed KB5077181, comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 update breakdowns.